The Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before. Halimbawa, League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC. Original decision, 2008. Reversal on motion for reconsideration, 2009.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
In response to some of your queries, we clarified that the Supreme Court's ruling in the League of Cities case was not unanimous. Please refer to the decision and resolutions published in the Supreme Court e-library and the Philippine reports. We are uncertain as to the source of the claim that the decision was unanimous.
Ang Supreme Court na nagsabi. Mali naman yung mga pinagsasabi mo. Kasi nung sabihin niya yung League of Cities versus COMELEC, napangiti na ako doon. Kasi kaya ko na inumag yun.
Kasi alam nyo, natalakay na.
tatlong beses nagkabali-baligtad yun. At merong nag-dissent doon. Hindi unanimous yun. O, tingnan mo ngayon. At saka ngayon, pinipilit niyang magpaliwanag. Kumbaga sa isda, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nahuli ka na ng balisasa. Kahit ano pang gawin mo magpaikot-ikot, wala ka nang lalabas.